Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've been looking for that magic bullet to make your Android device feel snappier, more stable, and more gaming ready than ever before, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the SuperMario Tweaker, a comprehensive all-in-one performance module designed to squeeze every last bit of power out of your hardware. Let's get straight into the setup. Before we start the flashing process, we need to do a little bit of housekeeping to ensure everything goes smoothly. Step 1, you must uninstall any conflicting modules. If you have an old DT module, various thermo tweaks, or other performance enhancers currently installed, remove them now. Having two scripts fighting for control over your CPU is a one-way ticket to a boot loop. Step 2, open up your management tool. One of the best things about SuperMario Tweaker is its versatility. It works perfectly whether you're using Magisk, KernelSU, or the newer APatch. Just navigate to your Modules tab, locate the SuperMario Tweaker zip file in your downloads, hit Flash, and let the script run its course. You'll see it working through the system files. Once it finishes, we hit Step 3, which is the most important part. Reboot your device. Don't skip this. Once you're back at the lock screen, give the phone a moment to settle. Those scripts are initializing in the background, and soon you'll be ready to enjoy that improved performance and stability. So, what's actually happening under the hood to justify the hype? It's a lot. First, let's talk about everyday speed. You're getting much faster boot times and significantly reduced startup lag. Thanks to IORAPD prefetching, your apps will launch noticeably faster because the system is essentially learning how to preload the exact data you need before you even tap the icon. For the gamers watching, this is a massive win. We're looking at much more stable FPS and CPU frequency locking. This means your phone won't aggressively throttle its speed just when the action gets intense and the device starts to warm up. It even includes updated Vulkan 1.4 support via Mesa Turnip version 25.1.3, which is a total game changer for graphics rendering and emulator performance. But it's not just about raw power. The entire UI is going to feel buttery smooth because of specific Surface Flinger and HWUI tweaks. These optimize the way your screen draws every single pixel in transition. And here's the best part. Despite the performance boost, your battery life actually stands to improve. By utilizing deep doze mode and tighter background control, the module stops apps from sucking power when your screen is off. It even trims the fat by disabling Google bloatware and unnecessary system logging that usually just hangs out in the background, eating up your RAM. From signature spoofing, for those of you who like to customize your system apps, to dynamic CPU-GPU composition for smoother multitasking, SuperMario Tweaker really is like a Swiss Army knife for your Android device. It perfectly balances high-end gaming performance with optimized RAM management and lightning-fast app switching. If you ran into any issues during the flash or have questions about your specific device, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you speed up your phone, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future Android optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.